I welcome everyone. In today's short video, I'm going to show you how to check for common variance bias in your SEM model. The idea behind common variance bias is that when you create latent variables, which are then become your variables, they are trying to explain something. If one of them is explaining a major share, then it means that the respondent who filled the questionnaire is not reading the question, rather he is following a pattern in such a way that the pattern is repeating across the related variables and their items. So this method was proposed by Herman in 1967, and according to it, that if you have like four variables or four latent variables in your model, the first one should not have more than 50% total variance share. So in this example, I will show you how to do it. So in this SPSS file, I have made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 indices. So let's suppose that these are my latent variables that are generated after estimating the SEM. It can be done in Smart PLS or it can be done in MOS. So I will go in factor analysis. I will select these index variables, indices that I made, and I make sure that they are not rotated. I need to see the simple one. And you can uncheck all other things. You don't require any. When you do this factor analysis, I will open it up. The first item is explaining 22%, second is 20%, then 19, 18, so on. So as a whole, total is 100. But if the first one has variance explained, total variance is more than 150, it means it has a major share, and it will lead to common variance bias. So this way you can check for common variance bias in your questionnaire based analysis. Thank you very much. Do try it in your study and explore new references and see how to solve this problem. Thank you.